Time remaining 3 minutes.
You gotta see. Set up like you're fishing.
What? Oh. I'm all prepared. This is a weak battery too.
Freaking unlimited vertical. What a place to fly.
Yeah, this is a weak battery. Normally it screams a lot more than this. But that's perfect for here. I can chill.
So I did a double thick zip tie mod. I did it with a carbon flat piece.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Yeah. What do you think? Is it better or worse or what? Okay.
And real quiet.
Well.
Pitchy. I mean, I can fly around at like half throttle.
Oh, okay, that's good. Are you overtaxing the motor though?
What's that?
Are you pushing the motor? You think?
I only use the full throttle and uplines.
Okay.
Yeah, just a cruiser.
Yeah. Well, that's good. I mean, more pitch is better anyway.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I gave it 300 more watts over stock.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah. So I think it went from like 600 to 900. What the? Thrust vector?
No, it's just that rudder. It's got a rudder. And that rudder works really good. See?
Something you wouldn't expect.
Yeah. And I'm maxed out the rudder, so it does a lot more than it should. So my green one, when I fly that one, you'll really see it. This is still new for me. I've only flown it a couple times. Oh, if not, just totally thrown through a seat, shot out the windshield. Yeah, this battery is tired.
Just amazing. We used to, use the can cells with the brush motor.
Yep. Well, where's the wind now?
9, 8.
Still got to land from the right.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
I don't know. I haven't texted him. He usually does come out here, but he's got certain days he comes out.
What about Joey?
Joey, he won't be here today. Yeah, this one I still got to dial in.